Hello, welcome back to my channel Ardimaspanji official. Sorry. Hello, welcome back to my channel YouTube Ardimaspanji official. I will today making for the design logo brand. Okay, logo streetwear design. Let's check it out. Okay, this one, the logo brand name is the Luvwar original with the star, like a shooting star concept design. You can see for the design is the color pink in my computer. I will show you for the patch for design. This is one the rear frame. Look at that. You like it? Okay, the Luvwar brand original. I will show you something concept before I'm making for the design, and then additional color concept. Okay. Wait. Like this before I'm making for the concept. For the text first, Luvwar, and then the additional color, yellow, pink, green, like a Tosca color. Okay, like this. I will show you for the conversation on the WhatsApp. Like this before on the design, like that. Let's say that. Yes, thanks. Okay, thank you, Mr. Luvwar original. I will show you for the Instagram. This one for the name brand Luvwar original. I will show you for the collection. Okay, thank you so much for watching my artwork logo brand streetwear. If you want to interested also to me, you can comment under below my YouTube channel. Okay, if you want something request or your example brand, or you something request collection streetwear like a sneaker design, backpack, handbag, accessories design, and then the streetwear design, I can make it all. Okay, thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel ardimaspanji official. Thank you so much. Bye bye.